Here are some features that you may want to consider. Let's have a look at the solid Martin Svensson home Monterey natural wood end table, which will set nicely in any part of your home. It's available in multiple colors and styles. Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail. The color that we're looking at right now is called the Reclaim Natural, which is a natural finish featuring wormwood details. This end table is built with solid wood construction, which is made with Chilean pine wood with the added touch of antique pewter metal hardware for your handle. The spacious drawer slides out using the smooth ball bearing roller guides. This Monterey end table combines the coastal and farmhouse styles into fashionable and a functional table. The Monterey solid wood coffee table and console table are also available. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.